Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Petite shell stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the slip stitch, and the half double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 4 plus 2. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 slip stitch into the second chain from your hook. Into the next chain, make 3 half double crochet stitches. So 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to get into the sequence for this row. Skip 2 chains into this next one, slip stitch, and then into the next chain, make 3 half double crochet stitches. Skip 2 chains into this next one, make a slip stitch. Into the next chain, make 3 half double crochet stitches, all into that same chain together. Skip 2 chains into this next one, slip stitch. Into the next chain, make 3 half double crochets. Skip 2 chains into this next one, slip stitch. Into this next chain, make 3 half double crochets. At the end of your row, you're going to have 3 chains left. Skip 2 like we had been doing. Into that last chain, make a slip stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of this row, make 3 half double crochet stitches all into that stitch. Now we're going to get into the sequence for this row. It's the same as our last row. We're just going to be working into stitches instead of chains. Skip 2 stitches into this next one, make a slip stitch. Then into this next stitch, make 3 half double crochet stitches. And that is it. We're going to start repeating. Skip 2 stitches into this next one, make a slip stitch. Then into this next one, make 3 half double crochet stitches, all into that same stitch. Skip 2 stitches into this next one, make a slip stitch. Into this next one, make 3 half double crochets. Skip 2 stitches into this next one, make a slip stitch. Then into this next stitch, 3 half double crochet stitches. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 3 stitches to skip, and then there's going to be this little loop over here that's technically going to be a slip stitch from the first row. So you're going to skip all the way over to this last little loop over here, all of these stitches. Into this last loop or last stitch, you're going to make a slip stitch. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Petite shell stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.